Hi, Chris here. Welcome to Toy Merchant Coolock. Today we will be showcasing our low maintenance composite decking. Our composite decking is available in 6 shades. We have cool grey, antique grey, charcoal, teak, oak and walnut. All components made with this product are made of recycled materials, including thermoplastics and recycled wood products. Today we are going to discuss composite decking versus wooden decking. Some of the common problems with wooden decking are as follows. Wooden decking can be quite slippy in wet conditions and the harsh Irish weather. With composite decking, it offers non-slip properties, where this makes it a safe product in the garden all year round for all family and a functional gardening space. With your composite decking, it is an overall durability product versus wood. It offers up to a 25-year lifespan. With your normal wood decking, you will be looking at regular maintenance of once a year, treating the timber, stopping this from rotting in our harsh weather conditions also. With your composite decking, it is anti-fade and UV protection, and also has a durability that will fight against any weather conditions throughout the year. With our composite decking, it offers a low maintenance garden alongside some of our other products, which will leave the garden maintenance free throughout the year. With the composite decking, it is fully sealed from the day it's purchased. There is no treatment required on this product. Our full range is available to view at the Ballymount showroom and here in Coolock. We offer free online sampling, and also these can be collected from in-store also, or ordered over the phone. These samples will help you make the right decision for your garden, matching up with other elements throughout the garden design. These are all readily available and can be ordered from now and start your process of your composite decking journey.